So guys, let's unboxing the CCTV V363 unboxing. Oh, pala, it's selling 128 gigabyte na. Tapos ultra micro SD. That's my camera. Is CCTV outdoors. Remote camera siya po. Standby under version 1. The adapter. Wrapping of this done. The screw. The manual. And wala na dito sa labas. Right. See you later guys. Ipapakita ko sa inyo guys next time pag install na nito sa network sa labas ng tindahan namin. So maka-update na ako sa inyo po. Okay. See you next time. Guys, okay na. Na-install na yung CCTV camera natin. Yung configuration na. Network configuration. Thank you guys. So ayan na guys. Meron na tayong CCTV po sa labas ng ating store. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye.